welcome back to my channel, and today we have Miss Adeline here as our guest, and that's because she won't let me put her down and she is being cranky and I want to record this video before I have to go pick up my kids from school. So in today's video I wanted to show you a few office items that I purchased from Target, as well as a few beauty items, because I am putting together a new office / beauty space in my room, and yeah, I just wanted to get a few things because I don't have like really any office supplies, and I thought it'd be fun to show you what I got, and also how my space looks after I've put it all together. I have a ton of other stuff to get still. This is just a start, and the theme that I'm going for is gold, pink, and white, because I just thought that would be really pretty and crisp and just, I don't know, fresh and pretty for spring. I think I have spring on my mind. But anyways, so yeah, if you'd like to see that, stick around. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video if you like it, and hit the notification bell so you know when I have a new upload. And let's get started. And she's gonna help me, aren't you? Yeah. One of the things that I saw at Target I had to get because it just screams me. So I got this super cute lip print. It is in gold on the sides and on the canvas, and it just reminded me of my lips because, yeah, if you haven't noticed, I have really big lips, and when I kiss, it makes about the same shape. So I just thought it'd be really cute to have these in my makeup space. I have a lot more decor to get because I have like blank walls, and we just recently moved into our house. If you haven't seen our video where we showed you an empty house tour, I will link that above as well as below so you can see that. But yeah, I don't really have anything on the wall, so I need to get like some really cute things from Hobby Lobby as well. But well, this is our office supplies. So I needed a calendar. So I got this calendar. Oh, there's my ring light. I got this really cute calendar for my desk, obviously. And yeah, that way I can just jot down stuff that I need to remember on the days of the week that I need to do it. And I thought that would be really cute. Okay, so the next thing I got, I tried out and it doesn't work, so I had to take it back. But I thought it was cute. It's this like pink tape holder, and yeah, this little metal part here does not cut the tape, so this was $3, but you know what, $3 is $3. I'm gonna go get my $3 back. So I would not recommend that because it doesn't work. So I picked up a few things from the dollar spot at Target because they had some really cute stationery stuff, and when I looked in the other areas of Target for stationery, or not stationery, but like their area of things that I wanted, they didn't really have anything that was as cute. So I really thought that I'd just get stuff from the dollar spot area. I picked up this really cute journal, like notebook, and it says "You were made for this," and it's got like a linen, yeah, it's got a linen feel, and it has like gold wording on it, and I thought it was really cute. Even has like a little ribbon to keep your place, and it just has, you know, blank or lined paper, and I thought it was cute. So I love to write lists down, and I thought this would be a really good book to do that. Okay, so the next thing I picked up was this little pad. It's actually a mouse memo pad as well, and I didn't realize it was like a mouse pad, but I mean, obviously once this is gone, you don't have a mouse pad anymore. So I did get a mouse pad as well. So this is just a really cute pattern. It has like little flowers on it, and it just has the days of the week and some like lines for lists, which once again I was really happy about. Next, I picked up this little book of stickers. They had really cute little stickers. There's a whole bunch of different ones inside. So yeah, there are really cute stickers in here. They have like different days of the week. They have call today, email today, bills due, don't forget, things to do. Just really cute little things that I can stick on my big calendar. Shh. She doesn't get that we're recording. So anyways, yeah, I thought this would be really cute for my big calendar. Okay, so the next thing I got was a mouse pad. yeah, this is just a cute floral mouse pad that matched with some of the other stuff that I got, and this was $3, you guys. So I was really happy about that. What do you want to play with? What do you want to tell them? Are you teething? You guys, she has one tooth finally, and I think she's getting her other tooth in because she's not very happy. So, anyways, okay, so the next thing I got, oh, I know. Okay, I was really happy to find this because sometimes they're really ugly. But I got this really cute Post-it cube, and it looks like marble. So I thought that was really pretty because sometimes they have like those really ugly yellow and pink and just like really fluorescent bright colors that aren't that great. So I thought this would look really cute on my desk. I also got some paper clips that are like in pastel colors, and they just looked really, really cute. And I also got some small binder clips. I don't know why I'm talking that way. I always talk kind of funny, but yeah, these are really cute. They have like little floral prints, and they have like grays, mints, pinks, like just really pretty pastel colors. And I thought that would be really cute to have. I'm planning on getting like a I'm planning on getting a planner because I need a planner for my life since I'm all scatterbrained all the time, and I always try to just remember things in my head. And you know what? That's not such a great idea because I've been forgetting things lately, and as a mom, we already know I have mom brain, so it's not a good idea. Alrighty, so next I found these highlight marker packets, and this is $1, and you guys, these are so cute. They are just like a yellow and a pink highlighter, but also like a dark charcoal and dark kind of like a maroon color marker on the other end, and they're really pretty and they're really nice, and they were $1, and I thought they would look really cute. Whoops, I just dropped something. Okay, so next I got some page flags, and these were also $1, and they just have like now, later, keep it simple, and just cute prints on them. And I thought that oh my gosh, I can't talk. I thought that that would be really cute to have in a planner. This might be a crazy video. Okay, then I also got these for $1. I got, let's see, 6 pencils, and they are all really pretty pastel colors, except there's like a navy blue or something like that. And they all have like sayings on them, like inhale, exhale, start somewhere, make it count, just cute little sayings on the pencils. And I thought I want to get like a container and just put my pencils in there and just have them accessible. What are you doing? You tell them. Yeah. Okay, what did we get next? Tell them. We got these. I got some really cute marker pen. Can't talk. These are marker pens, and they come in all these really fun colors. They are the candy pop colors, and I thought these would be really cute to use on my new desk calendar, and whenever I get a planner, I will use them in my planner as well. You like those? Yeah, you can play with those. Okay. Okay, so you guys, on to the beauty stuff. I told you I didn't have very much, but you know, it's a start. Okay, now she dropped the lip gloss I gave her. Oh, there you go. Alrighty, so I needed some more of these cotton ovals here, so I got some more of those. That's not too exciting. And then I picked up, and I already used these, I'm not gonna lie, the next few things I already used because I could not wait. But these are just some new e.l.f. brushes. There you go, you can play with that. I got 3 new e.l.f. brushes. This is an eyeliner brush, this is a contour brush, and this is a concealer brush, but I actually used it as an eyeshadow brush because I really liked the shape, and I thought it would work really well with my eyeshadow, and as you can see, it did. I really like the way that works, and you guys cannot go wrong with e.l.f. brushes. They are cheap and they work really well. I love e.l.f. brushes. So, okay you guys, the next thing I'm like super excited about because it was just something I had to have and try, and I really love it, and I'm so glad I got it. And this is the new Healthy Foundation from Physicians Formula. And you guys, I got the LN4, which is the light neutral 4 color, and it is so good, you guys. I used it today, and I really love the way that it worked. And I've only been wearing it for a few hours, but so far so good. And I definitely feel like I'm going to do a video on this because it's worth it. And it was like $12.99 or something like that. And I mean, it's drugstore, so it's affordable. And you guys, this like has so many good things to say about this that, you know, I think I'm gonna do a separate video on this. And I actually, if you watched my other foundation routine video, I used my Clarisonic Mia and I love it, but it was out of battery today and I was so sad. So today I used this with a beauty blender, but you guys, it applied so beautifully. But I'm really excited to see how it applies with my Clarisonic Mia because that is like my absolute favorite way to put on my foundation. So if you haven't already, go check that video out because you can see how amazing that tool is. Like, I love it. Okay, so anyways, this is just a great foundation. So if you're looking for a new foundation, I would definitely suggest getting this Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, and it has SPF 20 in it. Alright guys, that is all I have for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. I will definitely be getting more things from my office space because that was just a very small amount and I definitely needed more than that. So I'm super excited to get it all put together and do like a new desk tour video for you guys because sometimes, you know, we need to make spaces useful in different ways, and I don't have a dedicated office, so this is going to be like my office slash makeup space slash recording space for you guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, I'd appreciate it, and come see more of my videos. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate it so much. And I hope you enjoyed my little guest here, Adeline. She likes to appear sometimes in videos because she is that needy. Anyways, I hope y'all have a great week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!